everybody, I am Chef Vigani, and today I will give you a recipe for salad. Oh yeah. Now, you would have to be some kind of a stupid for me to have to show you how to cut up some lettuce, some tomatoes, some carrots, oh, you know what goes into a salad. Just all the stuff that grows from trees or the ground, and then you just chop it up and you put it in. And you could use, say, a food processor, or make a nice dressing in your blender out of, say, cherry tomatoes and some parsley, and you put in some... Are you really that stupid that I have to tell you how to make a salad? Just make sure you don't put any cheese or chicken or any kind of animal stuff on top of it. Not to mention really oily, greasy dressings that actually defeat the purpose of the salad. Just make sure everything is high carb, low fat, no animal products. And then you just chop it up like cha, 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 like a ninja. You put it in a bowl, you put your fork into the bowl, and then you put it in your mouth. And that is how you make salad and eat it. And now we dance. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out new videos every week.